Hey everyone, this is Michael from webhostingcat.com, and this video is for those of you looking for the best WordPress web hosting. About a year ago, we switched the hosting of our website over to WP Engine. They specialize in managed WordPress hosting. The results have been great, and I would definitely recommend them if you need premium hosting for your critical websites. In this video, I wanted to specifically point out the reasons why you should choose WP Engine. First of all, WP Engine is completely focused on WordPress. You get outstanding website performance. Take a look at some of our speed results here. You also get outstanding and responsive customer support, and we're talking about expert WordPress help here. And also very importantly, you get outstanding security features. So let me show you the WP Engine working environment. So here's the control panel. And let's go over some of the menu options on the left here. So first you can see here you get your own CDN with WP Engine, so you don't have to worry about getting an account with an outside company. And it's very easy to enable and set up here. So now let's go over backup points. This is one of the coolest features here. So with WP Engine you get daily backup automatically every night. And what's also great is you can create a snapshot backup whenever you need to. So for instance, before I update a theme or a plugin, it's always a good idea to run a backup, so that's what I do here. And you can also easily restore your files from here, or you can prepare a zip file that you can download if you want a local copy of your website. Of course, we talked about security earlier, and one of the most important things you need to start with is your SSL certificate. And WP Engine includes free Let's Encrypt SSL. And actually the auto renew SSL feature works really great with WP Engine. Never had any issues with my certificates expiring or anything like that. Now caching is always important to increase your website speed. And with WP Engine you get their proprietary EverCache technology. So let's take a look at caching here. And again, it's very easy to set up here. You can set up your page, network, and object caching here. Now site migration is an area that they've actually really improved at WP Engine. I remember years ago they had sort of a checklist that you'd follow, but now they've automated and streamlined the process much better, so it's much easier now if you're just starting out. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is the staging and development environments here. If you're looking for managed WordPress hosting, one of the most important features you want to look for is easy to use website staging. And WP Engine actually takes it a step further by also giving you a development environment. So what you can do is go to your development environment and create your new stuff there. Then you can move it over to your staging environment and test it out, make any little tweaks you need to before you move it into your production environment to your live website. So, as you can see, WP Engine includes everything you need to run a successful website. That's why I've been using them for my critical site. If you need some serious web hosting for WordPress, whether you have a blog, e-commerce site, all the way up to enterprise applications, then I would recommend checking them out. If you click the link below in the description, you can get 3 months of free hosting. But in any case, definitely put WP Engine on your list for managed WordPress hosting.